Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, you gonna put the people on top of the world with this one, bro. Stadium status. Lord Mob, Dope Networkz, Mr. Me, in. I'm feeling like I'm unstoppable. Made it out of my situation, success wasn't probable. You look up, I'm on top of you. All these rappers my stepping stones. Wouldn't be here if it's not for you. Yeah, they come with their hands out, like I'm sitting here with a knot for you. Bunch of niggas on bird shit. I don't relate to the cockatoos, stealing all of my sauce. I'm seeing me and a lot of you. I don't understand it, the compliments was underhanded. I'm taxing niggas, Uncle Salmon, I need the green. Think of the asparagus tips with the salmon. Do not panic, I'm the wave, the mid-Atlantic. Lost my family through the bullshit, I couldn't manage. Acknowledge I did all the damage. Some shit you couldn't plan it. Whole world was different now. Surviving on another planet. Respect still, I'm gon' demand it. Plug still be talking Spanish. Temper high, patience low. I don't really offer chances. Word. I just wanna be the dopest I could be though. Fly enough to put a cape on, but I ain't no hero. Do this for my people who be going through the pain. Ain't no sunny day around you walking through the rain. Do this for my people who be going through the pain. Do this for my people who be going through it. Yeah, do this for my people who be going through the pain. Hoping that the blessings get the demons off your brain. Do this for my people who be going through the pain. Yeah, do this for my people who be going through it. Yeah, give them soul. You add G4 and you ready to go. I'm the grind. Think of hitting licks when I was back in Devoe. Had to work. Now I'm getting re-up money for shows. What you need? Bang my line, homie. I'll get you the loan. Another zip code with the shit. Yeah, I miss my bitch, but more importantly, I miss my kids. Cause the shit I did. Sushi rolls with these raps. Or you get the raw shit. Soul, bro, I gave him soul. Literally all of it. I look up in that mirror lately, saw a disappointment, but stepped inside that booth with soul and still find my enjoyment. I don't know how I do this shit. I feel like I'm anointed. You discover life's a journey. You forget about what the point is. So searching for stability. It's funny how the bumps of life will teach you about humility. I just miss the little me's. Still feel I'm dropping jewels. Salute to my little niece. Priceless. That's what you niggas pay for, just a little piece. Do this for my people who be going through the pain. Ain't no sunny day around you walking through the rain. Do this for my people who be going through the pain. Do this for my people who be going through it. Yeah, do this for my people who be going through the pain. Hoping that the blessings get the demons off your brain. Do this for my people who be going through the pain. Do this for my people who be going through it.